Hi, I'm Kurt from Kurt's Auto, and I got a Power Tour 2025 update for you. The day is finally here that we've been waiting for. Power Tour has now released the dates and locations on their website. Looks like we are headed all around the state of Indiana. Starting off at Lucas Oil Raceway, where we left off last year, doing some drag racing, heading to Route 66 Dragway in Illinois for some more drag racing. Then we head to Fort Wayne to stop at the War Memorial Coliseum before a stop in Monroe, Michigan. And finally, we end in Norwalk, Ohio at Summit Motorsports Park, doing some more drag racing. This year has a pretty short route, should be a lot of fun. So if you're interested in going this year, you better make sure you get signed up pretty quick, because if you want to do the long hauler, I think it's going to sell out fast. There seems to be a lot more people on the Facebook that are interested in going for the first time, and tons of questions have been being asked for the last 2 weeks with small leaks that have came out. I wanted to wait till the actual date, the dates were released, to make sure that everything was set in stone, and this is all correct. So if you want to get signed up for this year, head over to hotrod.com. Hope to see you there.